Hi, Justin with Unique Componentry. Today we're going to be unboxing and installing our magnet wedge mount for the Gen 3 Starlink. So your magnet mount will come boxed like this. To be clear, it's for a Gen 3 flat mount dish like this. So we'll put this aside. First off, you're going to open your box, separate the bubble wrap. First thing you're going to find is our plastic wedge mount with the hardware and the installation Allen key. Second thing you're going to find is part 1 of the metal bracket. Finally, you're going to find part 2 of the metal bracket. First thing you're going to do is remove this factory wedge mount. Do that by lifting this tab and sliding the bracket out of the dish. Next, we're going to open the wedge mount with the hardware. So you have 4 screws and an Allen wrench and the plastic wedge mount. We're going to install that in the back of the dish and fully seat it down like so. Next, we're going to take part 2 of the metal bracket and we're going to hook it over the edge of the dish like so and line it up with the holes in the wedge mount. Next, we'll take part 1 of the metal bracket, hook it over the top of the dish like so, and also line it up with the holes in the wedge mount. Next, we're going to take the 4 1/4-20 flathead Allen bolts and loosely install them through both plates and into the wedge mount. So you're looking to just start them into the threads. These should thread in extremely easy. If they're not, you're cross-threading them and you'll strip the bolts out. Just like that. Next, you want to stand the dish on end, push it down against the table, and start snugging these bolts up. This is going to clamp the dish from end to end. You don't need to over tighten these. They just need to be snug. What you can do with 2 fingers is plenty tight. Here you have a fully installed bracket on an unmodified Gen 3 Starlink. You can see it's sloped from the mounting surface to create downforce at highway speeds and allow water to drain off the face. The feet are flexible to allow for curvature of the roof. This bracket works with both unmodified factory Gen 3 hardware as well as our 12-volt all-in-one Gen 3 hardware. It allows full access to the factory router port to plug and unplug your cord. If you're looking to install this bracket on a vehicle that has a non-steel mounting surface, such as an aluminum Super Duty cab, glass Tesla roof, or fiberglass RV, we offer an accessory to this bracket that are called landing pads. We offer them in white and black. They're steel discs, they're powder coated. They come with automotive grade 3M VHB that won't hurt your paint, and alcohol prep pads. You lay the template out on the roof, line up the landing pads with the template, and secure them down to the roof with the adhesive. That gives you the perfect spacing for the magnets to stick to it.